Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to simplify irrational square roots. So our first example over here, square root of 75. So there's one basic way that we do this. Actually there are a couple, I'm going to show you a few. So there's 75. So the way we do it is we basically divide it into its divided root. So we have square root of 25 times square root of 3. That's really how it is. And so then we have to simplify it. So we know this equals to 5, but this still equals to square root of 3. We're multiplying it, so now we will have 5 square root 3. That's exactly how we say it. The number, square root, and the other number. Now this is a big number. We have square root 891. So if you test out a bunch of numbers, you're gonna get square root 89 times square root 11. So basically divide it into two large numbers, preferably one of the numbers. If it's even possible, one of the numbers should equal to a whole number, just to make it easier, or just to make it simplified. So this one would be 9 square root 11, like that. But then for other numbers like 25, square root 25, it's just 5. There's no other square root involved in it. The next number, square root of 44. So a way you can do this is you can also find a prime number in it. So this one, if you try out, let's say 5, it's not divisible by 5. Try out 7. Well, it's not divisible by 7 either. 9. No, 9's not a prime number. 11 though. It's definitely divisible by 11. So square root of 11. When we divide 11 by 44, we get 4. So square root of 4. And this is a whole number, so we can convert it to 2. So then we'll have 2 square root of 11. Exactly how it would go. Some numbers does not have a whole number, so you're gonna have to keep it at the original square root. Square root of 66. This one, same thing. If they're repeating numbers, then we definitely know there's an 11. You try 11 and 6, and now you're gonna see something. We can't go further down, so this would be the original answer since we don't have a whole number with it. And if we try, or another way, you can try dividing with square numbers. So you can try dividing 66 by 9. And you can try to get an answer with that. You can try dividing by, the next one would be 16. So you can try dividing it by 16. You won't get a full number. For this next one, we have number 92. So for 92, we would just do the normal thing, except there's a different way to do it. So we get 92, and we divide it. Now, you want to divide it by small numbers, that's not 1. So if it's even, you want to divide it by 2. If it's odd, you want to divide it by 3, 4, 5, you want to divide it like that. So this one's even, so we're going to go 2. Then we basically divide it like a normal number, so 46. This one can be divided by 2 again. We'll start off with 2 always. And now we have a number that we cannot divide by anymore, so we have 1 and 23. So the way that this works is that, let's say you do this and you have, now you can see we have 2 and 2. If you have a pair like this, and then it's basically square root of 4, which is 2. So then you mark off 1 and you use 2. But then let's say you have x, you have y, and you have, and this becomes z, and you can still divide it by y, and this becomes a, and you can still divide it by y. And this thing would, if you have a pair, And you cross out 1, and then you have y. And then this one's left alone. So this one would just be like normal, like this number. Then if you get another y, so you have b, it's divisible by y, this can be another pair, so you have y times y, and it would be your number. And this can be like c. But in this case, it only works by 2, so 2. And we have 23. Now, there's a way to check, so we have 2, 23. Since remember we had 2 of the number 2s right here, we have 2 of them. So what we can do, if you want to check for sure, let me make this meter 23. So you can do 2 times 2, so you basically multiply this number, so you have y, and then we have c. So you basically do y, no, what did I do? Basically do y squared multiplied by c. So this would be 4 times, and then c equals to 23, so 23, which equals to 92. That's basically how you check. So y squared times c, or why not change the x? Exactly how you do it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you in simplifying irrational square roots.